Hi there, this is Fixed It. I was recently prescribed with a Freestyle Libre for my insulin-dependent type 1 diabetes that I've had since 1981, and it's a great device. I've had no problems at all with it sticking onto my arm, as you can see this one here, until about 2 days ago when I suddenly realised it was coming away, and I'd read online, the problem is they'll come off. They're very, very expensive and I didn't want to waste it. So what I did was I cut a piece of sock and I cut the top off it, and then if you just wind it down over the top so the elastic bit is above the Libre and then the rest of the sock is actually down, it actually makes a really good, that noise is one of my dogs, Skippy, deciding to have a drink. For some reason, whenever I make a video these days, Skippy decides he needs a drink. Anyway, going back to it, yeah, and in fact it's great because I checked it out, and hello Skip. I checked it out and the Libre's working perfectly, and I've had this on for a couple of days and it really does seem to be holding it in place. And not only that, but I just eased it off obviously to make the video and discovered that the stickiness has actually bonded it back onto my arm, so I might take this off tomorrow or just leave it on. But it's a really simple way of keeping the Libre on your arm and it works perfectly. So if you've got a Libre and you have problems with it coming off, here's a really simple fix. Just a quick update, I've had this on now for 11 days and I've showered with it on and just left it to dry, and I've had absolutely no problems at all. So it really has saved that Libre. Just looking at the pricing of the Libre, in the UK they're roughly £58 for a 14-day sensor, whereas in the USA they're $53 for a 10-day sensor, which would have been a very expensive item to throw away and also difficult to get hold of during the COVID lockdown. So just cut off an old sock, it's really well worth it. In fact, I might continue to do this anyway just to prevent any coming off in the future. Hope you liked the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.